All right, what's up there, guys? This is Nick with Day Trading, and something the SPI is moving. Oh yeah, doing a recap today. Wasn't super successful. I made like 350, whatever. I was aiming for more, but this one ASPI I was trading initially. Now it's going again. I don't know if I'm going to trade it. It looks like it's really trying to go though. We'll see what it does as it gets up here. It's got daily level at 924. I think that's all-time highs. And then there's some pre-market action that's a little higher. And it's really coming into this pivot here from the pre-market a few days ago. Let me see here. Another kind of pivot. Yeah. So a lot of kind of resistance here. It's lower volume. I'm not really in the mood to take it this late in the day. Maybe if it holds up, we'll see what it goes on as I do this review. And I am just not excited about it. But anyways, we'll get a little review in here. This ASPI, it was popping up earlier this Wednesday. It had a nice little rest day here, and then I saw it popping up pre-market, and then I got in and kind of scalped it up through the break of this daily candle, which was right here at 787. Oh, excuse me. At this break of 789 right here, this is ASPI. This was Wednesday, and this was the daily candle break. It actually has been holding all day, which is a decent sign, and we're going to see what happens as it's now pushing here. I am going to give it some more time, just give it some space to breathe here. I don't want to jump in when it's not warranted. The other stock I traded was GRI. It also was a continuation from earlier this week. It had a pop-up yesterday, and then broke through here. Let me see if I can get a more granular chart. Had a pretty strong, honestly, a pretty strong move on basically no volume. Didn't really trade it. Then once it kind of got up into this consolidation zone and started popping to new highs, I was like, I can trade it. And then I made most of the money here in this little consolidation range as people were hoping it was going to curl, and I was just scalping that hope. That's how scalping works. And then it does this double top at 124, just under 125, and nothing happens. I wouldn't be surprised if it actually does come back later in the day here, because there's no volume and it's not making progress downward, so I would keep an eye on that. I do have an alert set there, but I might not be around the computer. This ASPI now, as it's pushing up, I don't like it. I feel like it's a trap. I don't have a target that I want on it that's close enough, that's relevant enough, that's a time of day where it's likely enough that all these things come together and give me the straightforward action that I would like. Although there you go, it's actually moving. And it's giving strong action into the close of the half hour. Nope, no, why did I do that? Oh, put it on demand. What is this nonsense? All right. So looking at this now, I'm like, I got two options. I don't like how obtuse this candle is. I don't like this volume is just so out of place. I feel like it's just a short waiting to happen. And I honestly didn't trade it well. I'm only up. I messed up this when I did that on demand thing. How do I change these? I'm only up 380, which is about 360 after fees. And There we go. That's what I need. Okay. Um, just not a lot of money, especially for a stock like this in a situation like this where it can flip, reverse, and then I'll be down to flat pretty quickly on like the wrong move. Yeah, let's say I buy up here as it goes to 9, and then I buy too high, or I buy down here and it just creeps lower, and then I chop myself out. Those are two scenarios that happen often when I don't have a clear idea of what I want from a stock. And here, I guess a test of 9 would be interesting. And then the question is, how do you position for it? I don't think I would position right here. I don't trust that this is going to hold this kind of pivot here. I just don't trust it. It may hold. Maybe waiting for this candle to close and seeing what it does. It's 30 seconds left. But we'll see. We'll see what I want to do with it. We'll see how it's reacting to stuff. Chuck. Anything else today? Yeah, there was a stock, COCH. I was looking at for a bounce out of the open. I think I took one trade on it actually, and I took a minor loss. Yeah, I was just trying for like a pop above 3. Nothing happened really. It pops to 309 into the 200 day, and I just held till I got back to break. Till it got back to break even, I was like, yeah, this thing's going to be volatile on the way down if it unwinds, and it's pretty right. It didn't totally halt down or anything, but it was volatile enough. Okay, let's see what we got here. Yeah, this is just recipe for garbage, I think. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Wow. That's an interesting. It's not short sale restriction, so shorts can just jump in here. I think if I were short, I would definitely be trying to jump in around the 80s. Until it started pushing 85, then I'd be stopping out. But that's. Maybe it is going for this 9, this all-time high here. Let's see what happens. Checking the chat. Yeah, people are looking at it, which isn't always the best. Sometimes it's better when it's just like unknown because there's a lot of potential. I would say that that's kind of breaking a trend line there, that it tested high 3 times and that it doesn't want to break, but I could just be being too pessimistic about it. Let's see what happens here. It's controlled too, which I don't like. It's not wilding out. 5 minute just closed there. What does this look like? Does this look like something that will go up? I think if it does get above 77, I don't like this position. Just don't like it. Good volume there though. It was a selling candle, but it was not a super high volume. Don't think it'll actually go, but we'll see how this candle closes. I just don't like it. What I do like about it is the spread's kind of tight for the price. So I'm thinking at least in theory I'll get filled well. Especially since I don't have a bunch of shares that I'm trading on it, only like 1,000. But the other problem is, yeah, fucking miss that. I saw that coming and I was just a second too late. It feels like longs are going to get milked here. But I've been pessimistic about it this whole time and nothing's really happened. Whew. Very pessimistic about this right now. At least my ability. And then I'm going to feel like I'm going to miss it, and then we jump in too late. That's not what I want. I want to be jumping in right on time or before. Let's see here. It's going to be wild. And all right. This is an interesting one. It's kind of getting stuffed, but it's also kind of like it's holding. We'll see what happens. Not a lot of volume coming in at the highs here, if any. I would have been the only kind of trade up there at like 78 if I hit it. People are more just like gently taking positions. Just get back like 30 bucks there, 40 bucks. Fucking where's my annoying. Ugh, the slip on that was gross. It was just a couple cents, or just a cent or so. I was expecting. Now I'm down to $300 on the day. The stock hasn't moved. I'm annoyed. So lost 50 bucks on that. Wow, I just got roasted on that. Lost another 50, no, 70 bucks on that. And then it pops up to where I was. Now I'm down to 200, I think. It's basically just waiting for me to buy right now. It's like a masterclass of what not to do. Give back 120 bucks late in the morning. On a stock that actually goes nowhere. So you're just buying in the highs, selling at the lows. I feel stupid. I feel really stupid. It's no buenos. It's gonna go too once I walk away or once I look away. It's just waiting to go, really. Waiting for somebody to stop out here, I think. Try to jump in short. So annoying. Oh, I'm so mad. I fucking took another big loss on that. Not big loss, but another decent loss on it. Only for it to just be back above my entry. I feel stupid. Wow. All right. Well, this is disappointing. I'm down to up 173 on the day. This is a freaking dumb name. I got in at 54 when it dipped. Too early. Should have waited till it was below. $50 to jump in. Ugh, I just feel delicious. It's amazing. Yeah. Oh, and it's back to 59. 60. So stupid. I got a penny off of that, so up to 186. All right, I'm gonna end the stream. I gotta go. I gotta get away from this because it is just dumb. Anyways, thanks for watching. Officially up 186 on the day, which is I think where I'll end it. Peace out.